welcome to the Crafty Diamond. I am Debbie. Today I have such a gorgeous finish to share with you guys, and I am so excited for this one. She has turned out absolutely stunning. And this is from Calming Canvas Designs, and it is a 60 by 75 round with 58 colors, and there are a lot of special drills in here that I included for enhancement. There's actually 9 that I included, but she is just beautiful. I had so much fun working on this one. It did take me a while because I was working on this one, also working on others with it, and this was heavy on the confetti. I mean, it was like rude confetti, but I love confetti. I didn't have a problem with it. I did not ever get tired of doing this one. I wanted to stop and work on just this one, but I had others that I was trying to work on as well. So let's look at the canvas. This is actually Layers of Ocean Magic, and the artist is Mermaid's Cove. And I have not seen this one finished. I know that Canvas Crafts completed one that was from the same artist, but it's a different rendering. And I just think this is so pretty. The camera doesn't even give it full justice, not even partial justice on this one. And it was really funny because when I was working on this, it looked almost like a negative to where you couldn't really tell what was going on. But as soon as you started putting color down, it just started becoming so vibrant, and I could see everything that was in here. But let me go over just a couple of things in here. This was quite a bit of color blocking, all these yellows here, but the oranges at the top that blends in with this yellow doesn't look like it, but it was a lot of confetti. There was pink and orange throughout here and all down through here, especially with all of the seaweed and the different fish. That was absolutely crazy on the confetti. And all of this took me forever to do this section here because confetti was so heavy. But I love this one. I am definitely going to have this one framed. Not sure how I'm going to have it framed yet, but I am going to have it done. I don't know if I'm going to frame it myself. I'm going to try to have it dry mounted where they actually will use heat and put this on something that's similar to a foam board. I may just do that, but I just think she is an absolute stunner. Now, I did run out of drills. I had plenty of drills for everything except for one color, and that was for the letter G. I don't have these in order anymore, but let's see. I wish I didn't put these in this particular container either. It would have been easier had I not done this, so I will know that next time on something that's like this canvas. I mainly use these containers for my Josephine walls, and I may even change that next time. But this one was number 920. I was about 6 short, so it wasn't bad. I did not want to contact the company, didn't want to wait that long. I've also heard that something may be going on with the owner of Calming Canvas, that she there may be something wrong because she is not responding like she normally does. So I thought I'm not going to disturb her, and I am just going to use what I had leftovers. And on my leftovers, we are in the process of moving. I've already boxed those up, and I didn't run out of the 920 until towards the end. So I thought, well, I've got other colors. I just replaced, it was an orange. So I just replaced that with another orange that was in here, because I did have quite a few similar colors. But otherwise, I had plenty. And if you see in between 2 that are empty, that meant that I had 2 other of these containers. That was 315. And so I used those first. So I do have quite a bit left over on almost all the other ones. I had some trash, but not very much trash. Even on some of the darker colors, I did not have that much trash. Was not bad at all. And let's see. And there are some darker ones in here, like 500. That's really dark here, and I have a lot left over on that one, and I use that symbol quite a bit. And let's see, there weren't any of the others that I even came close to running out of, so I thought it was kind of strange that I did run out of the symbol G, and it could have just been me, but it was just a few, so I was not too concerned. I don't even know now where I had to replace those in here because it was just not enough to really worry about. I am going to be saving these drills, but it's going to be a later time before I get to kit down on these, just because the fact that we are moving and I'm not unboxing anything in my craft room for a while. So we'll see. But I can't get all of this on here because it is really large. But I think the mermaid, she just stands completely out of everything that's on here. I'm not exactly sure what this is on top of her head, because it looks like that she has some kind of maybe a headpiece. Her hair goes down through here, but I'm not sure what that is. And I'm not really sure if I'm crazy about her skin being blue, because her body here is blue, and that's okay, but that doesn't really show skin. To me, that's more of a suit, some type, of a bathing suit, or possibly a shirt, because you can kind of see straps through here. But to have a really dark blue neck and a blue face, that kind of bugs me a little bit. But other than that, all the other colors are just perfect. And I really like this flower that's over here. That's one of my favorites here. And then it has some fish. Couldn't figure out what this was at first. Thought, what is that? Because it kind of looks like a submarine. But I know that's not it. So I thought, well, this must be a fish, because you can kind of see a tail there. There's another fish here. So some of this you have to, really be creative on. That looks to me like it could be a crab, when you can see like the crab leg there. But I'm just kind of guessing. But the flowers down here are really pretty. I just absolutely love this sparkle. It could not be any prettier. So I am going to do a pan over so you guys can see this, and then I will be right back. So that way at least you're getting the entire experience of this kit. So there is a little bit of gapping that you can see, but if you are away from it, you can't see it at all. And the gapping really isn't that bad. It's not enough to even bother me. And I really liked the placement of all of these. I wish I would have gotten this in a square, because I did have the option of a round or a square. And this was the first canvas that I had gotten from Common Canvas Designs. I have completed 2 others of hers, but this is the first one that I'd actually gotten. This actually was sent to me just for a review, and I just hadn't gotten around to it. It was so large that I decided to go ahead and put it up for a little while. But I'm so glad that I did it, and definitely have a couple others I'll be working on as well. It probably will not be this year. I'm kind of getting together what I want to work on for the remainder of the year, and then early part of next year. But I will do one of hers at a later time. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please consider doing so. I am trying to increase my subscribers and also increase my videos. I'm working really hard on it, but with the move, I am probably going to be running really slow or possibly behind, because we are trying to get out of here, of our house, by the end of September. And then also we are putting it on the market in about 2.5, 3 weeks. So we've got a lot to do. We decided the last minute what we wanted to do, and now we are scrambling. Anyway, I hope that I will see you back on another video. And until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.